What's up, guys? Crypto Wolf here. How you guys doing? In this video, we'll be talking about BTC. It's another Bitcoin technical analysis day, and just like we're discussing yesterday, BTC did, would I say, some a little wonder price. This an ascending triangle, one of the most effective. I told you it was retesting this area, which is the area of support, and it will just take off. And that's exactly what happened yesterday. Splash today, it just took off to the upside, and at the end of the day, currently there was a massive sell-off right around the area of resistance, which should be expected because there was a lot of orders at that region. When you use an order block indicator to look at it, you would notice there was a lot of orders. Let me just switch this to 4 hours so that you see this. There was a lot of orders right at this point. It's no longer showing, but it was showing before. Let me switch this. Maybe I'll see it on the weekly. But before price came to this region, it was always showing lots of it was always showing an order block around this area. I guess now with BTC hitting 109k, it kind of ate into a lot of those orders that were just resting at that region, because right now it's not showing again. It was showing before, but it's not showing anymore. So let me use the other block indicator. Most people actually um do their other block by hand. I feel that's a waste of time. You could just use another block indicator. It's already coded with the criteria for an other block, so there's no need to waste time with that. So there's no it's not showing anymore, but right before this time it was showing, so it means that the bulls actually tried to run through the orders, but they couldn't, so it failed, which is reflective by this um shooting star candle. This is a shooting star candle. So and the next thing you saw is a massive sell-off, which is as a result of the failure of price to be able to break through all of those orders that were around this region. So this is an area of strong resistance, and immediately price just went down with a massive red candle, a very massive red candle, more of like a bearish engulfing if you're just considering only the candlestick bodies and ignoring the wicks. So, what am I expecting? What do I expect price to do? I still expect price to continue going to the upside. This was just a temporary test of resistance, and it just couldn't break it because a lot of orders were resting at that region, a lot of orders. So it's still going to retest that area again in the in the next few days or in a couple of days, and most likely it's going to be able to break it. This is bullish territory, so we should be expecting price to keep going to the upside. It's when you see momentum start shifting like this color, this light green color, then you know that bearish momentum is beginning to drop, so it may no longer be safe to enter into a long position. But for now, this is just the beginning of a bullish momentum, so you're good to go long. So that's it. So in a few days, in a couple of days, I still expect price to just keep gapping to the upside. Probably we'll get to as high as 119 ish and or thereabouts. So this is like a repeat of the last time in 2021, which is what I showed yesterday. So it's basically the same thing. It was just going to the upside, it was just straight going to the upside, just like that before it just crashed. And this is exactly what's happening again, literally again. History doesn't always repeat itself exactly the same way, but it's often similar. So this is Crypto Wolf. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.